In today's tutorial, we will have a look at Epibatidine, an alkaloid. Here is the structure. It was first found in the skin of a South American frog, Epibatidine anthonii, Anthony's poison arrow frog. Let us first have a look at this animal. We have recorded a short video from the botanical garden of Ruhr University. And of course, that frog is living there within a terrarium. Well, he is called a poison arrow frog, but actually this poison is not used for poisoning arrows, and additionally this frog does not produce this alkaloid by itself, but it gets it from its diet, maybe from some ants that are living in his area, in his habitat. That means the frogs here at Ruhr University, Bochum, are not poisonous at all. But where derives the interest in this structure from? It turned out it is very potent against pain, and therefore small molecule, very potent against pain. Lots of syntheses of this structure have been reported. Let us have a look at a rather short synthesis. Well, if we see a bicyclic system like that, first idea is why not performing a Diels-Alder reaction, and indeed this was chosen here. Pyrrole itself does not, the unsubstituted pyrrole does not undergo a Diels-Alder reaction, but as a carbamate substituted here, then it reacts, for instance, with this electron deficient acetylene. Well, heating it up a bit, around 80 degrees, 70% yield of that Diels-Alder product. Now we have to get rid of this sulfone group by reducing it with sodium amalgam, and getting those double bonds hydrated. This will succeed with palladium as a catalyst and hydrogen gas. Overall yield is about 36% over those two steps. And here we have a mixture of all stereoisomers, still the carbamate group here, which we can then hydrolyze, and separation of those isomers will lead to two diastereoisomers, both as racemic mixtures. Here 28% of racemic epibatidine, and here additionally 25% of racemic endoisomer. Here this is exo position of that chloropyridine ring. Here we have the endo position. So, what about using that compound actually as a drug against pain? Well, it is too poisonous, and therefore it was tried to derivatize that, to, well, choose similar structures, and indeed there was one interesting structure already found, tebanicline, here with a 4-membered ring. It is far less poisonous, but in then clinical studies it was found out that it has still too much adverse effects. So the search for an alternative structure, but with, well, similar benefits as Epibatidine is going on. Thanks for listening.